Hi students, welcome to KSM classes. Today we will discuss a few problems on trigonometrical identities and functions, the basic concepts of trigonometry. Generally, one question will be given in JEE Advanced, and we will find one or two questions even in the mains also. Now we will look into this problem. Let 0 less than a comma b less than pi by 2 satisfying the equations 3 sin square a plus 2 sin square b equal to 1 and 3 sin 2a minus 2 sin 2b equal to 0, then a plus 2b equal to. Now the solution. From the first equation we can write 3 sin square a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square b. 1 minus 2 sin square b is cos 2b. So 3 sin square a is equal to cos 2b, and now you can also change it. Otherwise you can take the second equation 3 sin 2a equal to 2 sin 2b. So 3 sin 2a is equal to 2 sin 2b. We are asked to find out a plus 2b. So here you can take sine or cos from this. So you can write cos of a plus 2b. Cos of a plus 2b is cos a cos 2b, cos a cos 2b minus sin a sin 2b. You can consider cos of a plus 2b or sin of a plus 2b. I have taken cos of a plus 2b. Cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin. Cos a into cos 2b is equal to 3 sin square a. So this is 3 sin square a minus sin a into sin 2b. Sin a into sin 2b is 3 by 2 sin 2a. 3 by 2 sin 2a. This is 3 cos a sin square a minus, this is 3 into, this is 2 sin a cos a, 2 gets cancelled, 3 sin square a cos a, this is equal to 0. So cos of a plus 2b equal to 0. Implies a plus 2b can be pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2 and so on. But since 0 less than a less than pi by 2 and 0 less than b less than pi by 2 implies 0 less than a plus b less than pi. Therefore, a plus 2b is equal to pi by 2. So the first option is the answer. The second question is 0 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 3. 0 less than or equal to b less than or equal to 3, and the equation x square plus 4 plus 3 cos ax plus b is equal to 2x has at least one solution, then a plus b equal to. Here let us look into the solution. This equation can be written as x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to minus 3 cos ax plus b. It implies it is x minus 1 whole square. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 3 cos ax plus b. This is equation 1. Now here for all x belongs to R, x minus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 0 implies x minus 1 whole square plus 3 greater than or equal to 3. Now RHS minus 1 less than or equal to cos ax plus b less than or equal to 1 implies minus 3 less than or equal to cos ax plus b less than or equal to 3. From these two conditions, the LHS is greater than or equal to 3, whereas the RHS is less than or equal to 3. Implies LHS is equal to RHS only if both are only if here it must be equal to 3 only. So minus, that means if x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 or x minus 1 whole square plus 3 is equal to 3 and minus 3 cos ax plus b is equal to 3. It implies x is equal to 1 because 3 is cancelled, x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, x equal to 1. Implies minus 3 cos a plus b is equal to 3. I mean putting x is equal to 1 here. It implies cos of a plus b is equal to minus 1. Implies a plus b is equal to, this is 2n pi plus or minus alpha, under 2n pi plus or minus pi. By giving that pi, 3 pi, 5 pi and so on. But 0 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 3, 0 less than or equal to b less than or equal to 3 implies 0 less than or equal to a plus b less than or equal to 6. Here 3 pi is equal to 3 into 3.14 approximately greater than 6. Similarly 5 pi and so on are also greater than 6. Therefore a plus b is equal to pi is the only answer. So a plus b equal to pi, so the result is 1. The third question is, if sin to the power of 4 alpha by a plus cos to the power of 4 alpha by b is equal to 1 by a plus b, then sin to the power of 4n alpha by a to the power of 2n minus 1 plus cos alpha whole power 4n by b to the power of 2n minus 1 equal to. Now we'll look into the solution. From the given condition, sin to the power of 4 alpha by a plus cos to the power of 4 alpha by b equal to 1 by a plus b. We will consider this equation. B to the power of, taking LCM, b to the power of sin 4 alpha plus a to the power of a cos to the power of 4 alpha is equal to ab by a plus b. This can be written as b sin to the power of 4 alpha. Let us convert this. A into, this can be written as cos square alpha whole square. Cos square alpha means 1 minus sin square alpha. This is cos square alpha whole square is equal to ab by a plus b. This is b sin to the power of 4 alpha. This is a. This is sin 1 minus sin square alpha whole square 1. This is sin to the power of 4 alpha. A sin to the power of 4 alpha minus 2a sin square alpha is equal to ab by a plus b. Now this can be written as, this is a plus b into sin to the power 4 alpha on cross multiplying a plus b whole square into sin to the power of 4 alpha minus 2a into a plus b into sin square alpha and plus a into a plus b is equal to ab. Implies this is a plus b whole square into sin to the power of 4 alpha minus 2a into a plus b into sin square alpha. This is a square plus ab and this ab gets cancelled. Now this can be written as, this is a perfect square, a plus b into sin square alpha minus a whole square is equal to 0. Implies sin square alpha is equal to a by a plus b. A by a plus b. From this we can have cos square alpha is equal to 1 minus sin square alpha, that is b by a plus b. Now sin alpha whole power 4n, sin square alpha whole power 2n by a to the power of 2n minus 1 plus cos square alpha whole power 2n by b to the power of 2n minus 1 is equal to, in place of sin square alpha we can write it a by a plus b. That means a to the power of 2n by a power 2n minus 1 into a plus b whole power 2n plus cascade alpha b by a plus b to the power of 2n by a plus b whole power 2n into b to the power of 2n minus 1. A to the power of 2n by a to the power of 2n minus 1. A by a plus b whole power 2n plus b by a plus b whole power 2n. This will become a plus b by a plus b whole power 2 by n, 2 for n. Sorry, a plus b whole power 2n. That can be written as a plus b whole power 2n minus 1.